Alright guys, what is up? We are back at Parkhaus 1 for the monthly Cars and Coffee. A lot of Porsches, a few other cars. You can go check it out. Slant Nose is leaving. As always, hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching. Ricky is here with his 993. Gonna start off the video with this beautiful 993 in the silver. Speed line, wheels. I have not seen Ricky yet, but gotta go say hi. Really nice car, man. Over here we got this Supra parked at the motel office. Make for a pretty cool picture with that background. And Martin actually just sold this. It's 944. And he tracked. So remind me how to do everything. You can follow him at Dower 35. I think it's his Instagram handle. Sorry, 924S. But he tracked this at Homestead. Now it is sold.
That's Rodrigo, just spotted. That's his guy. He's got the sparkle wheel too. Yeah.
This car has always attracted a lot of attention. Couple of 992s, 4S, GTS, and this 997 Carrera GTS in this blue. Love those cars. These things are holding their value. It's got the Soul Performance exhaust. Very nice. This guy's got an interesting, I hope this is a wrap, or it might not be. But from Miami, would advise against this color. This is gonna absorb all the heat. Very nice white on white GT3. It's got the, it's like orange stitching, extended. To match the brakes. I guess yellow. Another GT3 behind that. This shark blue. And the second generation Touring. This beautiful blue colorway. We saw earlier, maneuvering around traffic. Not sure what color this is, but really nice. I believe Axel's 911 Carrera. Parked right behind our 997. And this thing, which I'm not sure exactly what this could be. GT2 RS build from I don't know what. Interesting. I was talking to Max, who I met earlier today, about his Cayman S on the Apex wheels, the VSRs. Chatting about his steering wheel here, which I may need to do on the 997. See, that paint's really nice. These cars are holding their value. Ruben is here with his RS America. Always nice seeing Ruben, founder of air and water cooled Porsche Club here in Miami. So this is Parkhaus work area here. We got some gems here. We got this Singer Targa. And that beautiful, looks like green, dark green, some sort of dark green shade. Some of the air cooleds lifted on the racks. It's 918 Spyder. And this 992 Carrera T. See, they pulled the engine out in this. It's pretty cool to see all the inner workings. That rear engine. A couple of more air cooleds. Parkhaus little showroom here. Some of the cars they have for sale here. Not just Porsche, some other brands such as Ferrari. Check out this car they're working on. This beautiful blue HRV wheels. Turbo G-body. Doing some work on this thing. Looks really good. They have not only a black not a Z4, I think. Forgot what the model name was, but the Bond car back in the day. That timeless design. 996 GT2. It's a rarity. These things are going up in price, as with everything else. Really nice 993 turbo and the black on red interior. BMW M. And this is the Z4. GT3 down here, the Y-Sack pack. That's a nice F80 over there, M3. Got this very nice 997.1 GT3, parked right in the center of everything here at Parkhaus. This beautiful G-body, this red. Line 12E. He is with the Outlaws, so I think I know this guy. We're gonna come over here. GT4, the BBS. It's a nice 240i. Another GT4. These beautiful HRE wheels. .911 in that sort of midnight blue colorway. Met the guy that drives this. Very nice meeting you, man. Thank you for watching the channel. And GT3. This kind of sunburst orange. And it came in GTS. I believe these came with the 4-liter engine. Had a lot of cars turn out today. Another GTS 4.0. I believe that's a 718, 997.1. I really like the look of this GT4. I did this car. Really tastefully done with the BBS, the silver kind of gray look.
Like 2 months ago, and I had like my little.
Got to check out this classic Porsche 356. The interior, this beautiful blue, the tan interior. Really nice.